what's left with me. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'll tell you the truth. The memories you left.
Hey dolls, welcome back to the dollhouse. My name is Caitlin. If you're new, hi, nice to meet you. As you can tell by the title of this video, today I will be doing a different type of video. Today is a Dollar Tree, Five Below, and Walmart haul. I plan on, like I told you guys in my last video, I plan on moving to Atlanta. So I picked up some little items that I could do it yourself, like crates for storage, little different things. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got in this video, and then my next video will be how I put everything together. So if you're interested, stay tuned to the video and let's get right on into it. As seen in my introduction, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this crate. Honestly, I don't remember prices of everything, but I got this simple crate for storage from Walmart for 97 cents. The second thing I got from Walmart is the Easy Liner removable adhesive, and this is contact paper. I got the marbled contact paper because my whole room will be marble, gold, and black. So got the marble contact paper for decorative purposes. Don't remember the price on that. Second, I got this from, matter of fact, I'm going to keep it all in order. So the last thing I got from Walmart is the 2x Ultra Cover paint and primer, and this is gold, so I will be spray painting a lot of things gold. Like I said, I will be doing some do-it-yourself projects, so stay tuned for that. So all those three things were from Walmart. So let's go ahead and get into Dollar Tree. It's my daughter's bag. So from the Dollar Tree, I got my daughter a piggy bank. Our last one burnt down, so just for her to keep her quarters and stuff in. Everything at Dollar Tree, of course, is $1. Second thing, I got this type of contact paper because I wasn't sure if Walmart was going to have the marbled one, and I kind of like the flower ones anyways. So I'm just going to keep this on hand. I got a round mirror with suction cups. My idea was to go and get these candle holder mirrors, but they only had 2 and I needed about 3 or 4, so I'm just going to take the mirror out of this, and like I said, you guys will see what I plan to do with that. I got Fix All adhesive. They said this is kind of like the is it 6000 A6000 glue, 600 glue, one of those glues. So I just picked 2 of these up. I got one of these clear organizers for lip gloss and nail polish and all of that. I got a few makeup brushes because you can't really beat $1 makeup brushes. So I got 5. I got the large eyeshadow brush. I got the contour brush. I got the smoky liner brush to smoke your liner out. I got the crease brush. And I got the large concealer brush. This was so cute. Like I said, I'm doing a lot of do-it-yourself projects. So I found this cute little cat. His tail is long enough for like a ring holder. So only $1. And it's already gold, so I don't have to spray paint that. Okay, so in here, my daughter, she stays putting stuff in my cart. I got two nail polishes. This cute little peace sign that I plan on spray painting gold. I got this tray because I have a lot of jewelry, so I'll probably spray paint this gold. In here is my mirrors, and I got a little cup type glass cup for my makeup brushes. Okay, so for my bases and to go along with my makeup brushes, I got yellow sunflowers. Like I said, my room will be gold, marble, and black. So I feel like just plop these right in a vase and it will go along with my whole room. I got 2 gold frames. When I move, I will be a picture fanatic. You will see pictures of me and my fiance and stuff all around our room. So basically our family. I got 2 gold frames for me to put our pictures in of me, him, his daughter, my daughter, just our family. It's my daughter's snow globe. She wanted a snow globe. And last but not least was Five Below. And I got this 3-piece mirror set. And it's black. They had black and white, but I think I am going to cover the mirrors up with tape and spray paint these gold. So they will be gold mirror sets instead of black. I got this cute little elephant succulent. I'm not sure if I want to spray paint him gold yet because I do like the white. But you guys will see. I got these cute little jeweled magnets. I think I'm just going to like take these and glue them on the mirrors I bought from the Dollar Tree so they could hold my jewelry and stuff. I'm not quite sure yet, but these are cute. And the last 2 items, I'm not sure if this is just for me, but I got some rings. They say just peachy, and it comes with different sets of rings, and I got these necklaces. So, as you can tell, I did quite some shopping today for my new apartment. But I'm super excited. Like I said, stay tuned for the do-it-yourself projects. Everything will be showed in the video. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.